Hi, welcome to Bigdbiz POS system. In this video, we'll see how this big POS works. So here we have two types of role. One is the administrator, normally the owner of the branch, and the next one is the branch users, the employee of the particular branch. So the administrator role will be like to see the reports from multiple branches. Since big POS is a cloud-based system, we can integrate multiple branches and all those reports can be seen from one system itself. That is one user role itself, that is the administrator. And he also has a complete branch and franchise settings. So all kind of internal configurations can be done by the administrator. And the third one is the user role and privileges. So for each branch you can create number of users and each user can have the privileges like edit, delete or add anything. So all these settings can be done by the administrator. And next comes the branch user or the employee or the POS billing. So this particular branch, it can be one or multiple branch. So each branch has the own, like they can add their category and item with the stock details. If they receive any new cake orders or any party orders, that order details can be added. Automatically the notification will be sent to the administrator. Then the third one is the new bills. So all the billing, everything can be done in this particular login. And the fourth one is all branch reports. All kind of reports like expenses reports and income reports. So all kind of reports like day closing can be done through this branch. So now let us see the system how it works. So the first thing we can see here, the admin role settings. So I log in inside. Once the user log inside, he can see all the dashboard details and he has the settings of attendant master, branch production, branch master. So he can create the branches based on number of users he has received. So first one is the attendant master. It's like the attendant name or employee name who is going to use for the billing or production, what kind of login it depends on. Then comes the branch or production. So this is nothing but a particular branch can be linked with any production. So this production center will be sending the products to this branch, and this same way the branch can return the stocks, excess or any damage to this particular production. So this is the link between, the link can be created using the branch setting details. And next comes the branch master. So the user has the privilege, that is the admin user has a privilege based on number of users he has purchased. Up to that he can create the n number of branches, he can edit the branch. For example, if he wants to create a new branch, he can click add new button and he can select whether he wants to create for his own branch or he want to provide it for his franchise or either or one, or it's for a production center. So based on that the details will be appearing. So production type, what kind of production, whether it's a production or it's a icing or anything like that. So for example, if it is for his own production or own branch, he has to mention his branch name. If it is a franchise, then franchise name, then the contact person name there and mobile number, all the contact details, even the currency can be set up, and mainly the branch code. This branch code will be used for all the report settings, then the branch area and the basic email details about if it is a production, icing and other email. So this email will be sent to this when an order is received, for any cake order or party order is being received. So this automatically will be sent to this production email itself directly. And this all the configuration about the online sales. So this comes the print auto close. For example, to make the quick billing, the system will be appearing showing the print preview. So if you want to disable that particular one, you can disable it and dispatch goods directly. So if the production want to dispatch the goods directly to the branch, if it is yes, they can do it. The FSSN number, this will be displayed on the bill print. Then if they want to receive online bills to this POS, if they have any e-commerce, then they can get a notification from that e-commerce to this POS that can be linked here. So the next one is the print settings. So the print settings, nothing but two types of prints are available. So these two are thermal prints. So this is by default a logo, so the showroom number and the item name, the type of sales, date and time and the GST details and other details. So this is type 1 print. and type to print. So this is nothing but the address will be at the top and all the items will be listed and here. So there are two types of bill prints available. Either one can be chosen from here. So if the particular branch wants to maintain with stock or without stock, so if they want to choose anything, they can choose it. And the company logo, so while they print the bill, they can use this logo automatically appearing. So each branch has its own settings that can be done to this branch master. Then comes the add user. For each branch, the administrator can create the users based on the user role privilege. For example, if there is a manager as well as an employee, so the manager can see all the reports, all the orders, everything, inventory. But the employee who is in the billing section, he has to see only the print, that is the billing screen. So that this he can create the username, password for that billing section employee, and he can disable all the visibility. He can enable only the order. So he can create read, edit, only this two is available, he can do it. And today delivery he can do it. So he can edit, something like that. So he can disable or enable. Same way for the inventory menus like sales. So he can read and edit the edit bill or save. He can do anything. So based on the login type, if it is for example, if he is a billing person, so he can select the billing person and he can select the role, what kind of role he has to play in that section. And if he is an administrator, then all the things can be enabled. So he can access anything in that particular branch, only for the particular branch. So, okay, so that can be mentioned. So select the login bill if it's a system or Android app. So what is the access type, right? So billing, it's a type of billing. So everything can be done. So for example, the administrator has the own role to create the branches. For each branch, he can create n number of users, and based on each user role, he can segmentize the screen visibility and privileges like read, edit, delete, save the particular screen. So this is all about the administrator. So on this next video, we'll see the POS billing. Thank you.